Hi everyone, this is Morgan Stokes. So what we're going to be talking today is about biofilm. First off, biofilm formation constructs of a alternate lifestyle in which a micro organism adopts a multicellular behavior that facilitates and prolongs the survival of the diverse environmental niche. So the biggest thing is the changing of alternate lifestyle. As well, they form onto a biotic, and abiotic surfaces, both in the environments and in healthcare settings. So I currently work in a clinic, and that could be a healthcare setting. As well, hospitals can have the formation of a biofilm on a vent or a medical equipment. This enables the pathogens to persist and make it easily accessible and being able to spread to patients. So this is the being able to make sure that your area is sanitized and kept clean is very important, especially now with the COVID-19. So it's a lot of it's equipment as well as vents and just surfaces. So inside the host, biofilm lets the pathogens to iterate the immune defenses, which makes it long-term persistent. So it's wanting to it takes over the immune defenses, which then it can't fully be able to protect itself from, a pathogen, which that could kill that organism potentially, or harm it, or make it sick. So the steps in which it leads to biofilm formation is on surfaces within I can't even speak today. Eukaryote cells, which kind of makes a forefront to several medical important pathogens. Just the being able to come from enabling a single cell organism to assume a multicellular lifestyle. So you're going from a more prokaryotic cell-oriented lifestyle to a eukaryotic cell lifestyle. So it's changing lifestyles, which I think was quite kind of interesting. A lot of times the reasoning for these biofilms are in response to environmental changes involving multiple different translating signals to concentrated gene expression. Therefore, it's changing the organization of the bacterial cell. So you're changing the mix-up and the cell itself, which then changes its lifestyle. I thought this was quite interesting because when you're changing from one way of doing something to another, it's just able to adapt so easily, which is quite interesting and very unheard of for a lot of things. It takes a lot to make something different. When talking about the quorum sensing, which helps produce, I don't know if I said it correctly, the biofilm. It's a system, the sensing is a system of bacteria which relies on the signaling of the molecule, and their receptors, they're paired receptors, pair receptor proteins of the gene for the gene to regulate the activity. So there are inhibitor bacterial colonies, and there's the biofilm formation through the different quorum's pathway in gram-positive bacteria. So since a way of the sensing system of a bacteria relies on a signal molecule and its paired receptor protein to be able to regulate and, you know, have organization to its activity. So first of all, you're changing two lifestyles, then you have something that's being able to coordinate and regulate the system. So I thought this was quite interesting. I know I'm a little over my time, but hopefully I made some sense, and I thought this was really quite cool. Thank you.